Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is designed for large-scale operations. And when Oracle says large, they mean the size of Jupiter. This can make it a bit daunting if all you want to do is run a few databases and application servers. The environment does appear at first to be horrifically complicated. Well, it can indeed be complicated if you want and need it to be so. What our course does is cut through to what most small to medium operations will need to build a functioning environment for running web-enabled database applications in a secure and reliable fashion. The course consists of lectures and demonstrations, followed by workshops that you do in your own time with support from us. You will end up building something like this. In your own virtual cloud network, which we will provision for you, you will have a pair of web application servers connecting to a standard edition database in a DB system. User access will be through a load balancing router protected by a web application firewall. Administration and development access will be through a jump server and alternatively a VPN. You will configure the whole environment. You create all the OCI resources shown on this slide. You manage security at all levels. You install all the software components, and you do some day-to-day administration, such as storage management and backups. OCI can do a whole lot more than this, but this will be enough to get started with a functioning system. You can add as much complexity as you like from here.